Hello everybody, it's the second video for today. Like the last video, I'll make a part 2, because I have 2 other videos after this one. Holy monster truck! Ow! Oh, ouch. This game, I just started playing this game. I literally found it while I was searching games, but I'm not a pro at it, so you can call me noob in the comments. I don't give a cracker. I don't give a freaking cracker. No. Yeah, you guys can call me Unk as well. Call me noob and Unk. I don't give a cracker doodle. Ow! Jeez. This game is fire! This game is so hard. Holy. Guys, call me noob in the comments, please. I deserve it. Please don't be calling noob. I deserve being called noob for my stupidity in this game. Oh, finally got a checkpoint. Guys, there's the red pointy thing. Guys, there's red pointy thing. I fell to the hole. Guys, I got killed by a freaking pointy thing. Is there a pointy thing? Don't touch me. I don't want to be touched today. Okay, now this game is starting to piss me off. Yes. Great, come on. I'll make a part 2 to this game as well. Because this game is fucking hard. Holy shit. Bro, the controls. That's it. Okay, guys, I'll make a part 2 soon.